Hello dear children, this is Alok sir. Hope you all are fine and practicing the given numericals. In this part of the video, I have brought some important numericals based on refraction of light, lens formula, magnification and power of lens. So let us start now. See the first question. A convex lens has a focal length of 30 centimeter. Calculate at what distance from the lens should an object be placed so that it forms an image at a distance of 60 centimeter on the other side of the lens, and the magnification produced by the lens in this case also. So this question was asked in CBSE 2004. You please try to solve the question first, then see the solution. Pause the video and try to solve the question. Okay. Now see the solution. First we will write the given information provided by the question. The convex lens has a focal length. F is given. Focal length, this is plus 30 centimeter. Since this is a convex lens, focal length will be positive. Distance from the, calculate at what distance from the lens should an object be placed, means u is not given. U equals to what? So that it forms an image at a distance of 60 centimeter. B is given, B is positive 60 centimeter. Calculate, we have to calculate U and M. Magnification. So using the lens formula, what is the lens formula? Lens formula is 1 over f equals to 1 over v minus 1 over u. This is the lens formula. Must remember this. So we have to calculate 1 over u. This will be equals to 1 over v minus 1 over f by transposing. Now putting these values, this will be 1 over 60 minus 1 over 30. So 1 over u equals to, LCM will be 60, and this is 1, this is minus 2. 1 minus 2. So 1 over u equals to minus 1 over 60, or u equals to minus 60 centimeter. This is the object distance. I have calculated the object distance. Now we have to calculate magnification also. So what is the formula of magnification? This is V over U. In case of mirror, the formula of magnification will be minus B over U, but where it is a lens, then formula of magnification will be V over U. So putting this value, M equals to V is plus 60, or simply 60 you can write, and this is minus 60. So this will be minus 1. Means magnification will be minus 1. This is the answer. So first you try to solve this question, then see the solution. This is the object distance and this is the magnification. Now see the next question. See the next question. An object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Draw a ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image formed. This question I have taken from NCERT book. An object 5 centimeter in length, that is HO is given. HO equal to 5 centimeter away from a converging lens, focal length. Converging lens means convex lens and focal length will be positive, so F equals to plus 10. Draw ray diagram. Also u is given, means 25 centimeter. U is given minus 25 centimeter. Draw a ray diagram and find the position size. Means we have to draw ray diagram. Let us draw. This is the lens. This is the principal axis. This is O. F. F is how much? Focal length is 20 centimeter. Sorry, 10 centimeter. So its radius of curvature will be how much? This is 20. We know that F equals to R equals to 2F. Means this, if this is 10, this will be 20. Now object is placed where? 25 centimeter away, means it is placed beyond the center of curvature. Then what type of image is formed? When the object is beyond the center of curvature, then image, where will be the image formed? Using the ray diagram rule, one line will pass through focus of the mirror. It is when the light is coming parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the focus. Second, optical center rule. Means the image will be formed. Image will be formed between, this is F1, this is C1, this will be F2, and this is C2 or 2F2. The image will be formed between F and C, F2 and C2, and the image will be smaller. So we calculate the image distance. B equals to what? Using lens formula, 1 over F equals to 1 over V minus 1 over U, and 1 over V equals to 1 over F plus 1 over U, which is equals to 1 over 10 plus 1 over minus 25. Now equalizing the denominators, this will be 50. So 10 multiplied by 5, this is 5, and this is 2. So this will become 5 minus 2 upon 50, or we can also write 1 over F equals to 3 upon 50. Sorry, 1 over V, 3 upon 50, or V equals to 50 over 3. Means this is how much? 3 1s are 3, and 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 6. So V equals to 16.66 centimeter. So this is the image distance we have calculated using lens formula. We can also write B equals to 16.67 approximate value. Now this is the object distance, sorry, image distance. Now we have to calculate position, size and nature. We have calculated the position, that is the image will be found between F and C. Size and nature. Size, so we know that HO over HI, HI over HO, magnification equals to HI over HO equals to V over U, and HI is given, sorry, HO is given, so HI over HO is 5 centimeter. So this is 5 equals to V we have calculated, that is 16.67, and U is given minus 25. So this much, this will be HI equals to 16.67 by minus 25 multiplied by 5. 5 ja means minus 16.67 divided by 5, and which will come ultimately 5 3 ja 3.33 centimeter. So height of the image will be 3.33 centimeter. Means we are seeing that height of object is 5 centimeter and height of image is 3.3 centimeter. Means smaller image will be formed. So this is how we calculated. We have solved this question. Now see the next question. The next question is that two lenses of focal length plus 10 centimeter and minus 10 centimeter are kept in contact. Find the focal length and power of this combination of lenses. This question is from combination of lenses and power of lenses, and this question was asked in CBSE 2011. Now solve this question. Two lenses, let one is f1, focal length of lens 1 is given plus 10, and focal length of second lens is given, let this is f2, this is given minus 5 centimeter. And we have to calculate power of combination of lenses and focal length of the combination. Since we know that power of combination of lenses will be power of individual lens, the sum of power of individual lenses, P1 P2 plus P3 plus Pn up to Pn. If n lenses are combined together, this will be the formula of power of the combination. So we can write P equals to P1 plus P2 from the formula of combination of lenses, and P equals to, we know that this is 1 over F. Let this is capital F. Focal length of the combination, let this is capital F, and this is 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. So 1 over F equals to 1 over plus 10, 1 over plus 10, and this is 1 over minus 5. Equalizing the denominator by taking LCM, this will be 10, this is 1, and this is minus 2. So 1 over F equals to minus 1 over 10, or F equals to minus 10. This is the focal length of the combination. We have calculated the focal length of the combination. Now second part of the question, power of this combination of lenses. Power of this combination of lenses, and power of this combination P equals to 1 over F in meter. We calculate power always by converting focal length into meter. So we will get 1 over F, that is 1 over 0.1 meter, and this is 10 by 1, so this is 10 diopter. F is in negative sign, F is with negative sign, so this will be negative 10 diopter. So power will be the combination, power of the combination will be minus 10 diopter. This is how we calculated the focal length of the combination and power of the combination. And this question is very important, which is asked in CBSE 2011. So first try to solve the question, then see the solution. We have used the formula for combination of lenses or power of lenses. Means when 2 or 3 lenses are kept in contact, then power will be, the combination will be sum of individual power of the lenses. This is the theory. So see the next question now. The next question is that a 10 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 30 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 20 centimeter. Find position of the image, size of the image, and nature of the image. These three questions we have to solve, and this question is asked in CBSE 2004. Very important question. So first try to solve this question by yourself. First pause the video and try to solve this question. Now see the solution. First note down the information provided by the question. 10 centimeter tall means HO is given, height of object is given, which is 10 centimeter, placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 30. Since lens is convex, so focal length will be positive, f equals to 30 centimeter. Distance of the object from the lens is 20 centimeter, means u is given and u is minus 20 centimeter. So these were the information provided by the questions. Now first calculate image distance, that is v. We will use the lens formula, which is 1 over f equals to 1 over v minus 1 over u. Remember that in mirror formula, u term 1 over u is will be in positive, will be with positive sign, but in lens formula 1 over u, the term 1 over u will be with negative sign. So this is the lens formula. Always remember, we have to calculate v. So 1 over v equals to 1 over f plus 1 over u, and f is given, which is 1 over plus 30, and u is given, which is 1 over minus 20. So this will be equalizing the denominator by taking LCM. This will be 60, this is 1, and this is minus 1. So 1 over v equals to, sorry, this is minus 2, not minus 1, minus 3. 23 is a 1 3 is a, so this will be minus 3, 1 minus 3, this is 1 minus 3 over 60, and this is not 1, this is 2, sorry, this is 2 and this is minus 3, so this will be 2 minus 3, not 1 minus 3. So 1 over v equals to minus 1 over 60, or v equals to minus 60, v equals to minus 60. Image distance is negative. Image distance is also negative. This is the case of magnified image. So we have calculated image distance, object distance is given. Now we will calculate magnification. Magnification equals to hi over ho, and this is equals to v over u. So we have to calculate the height of the image. So hi equals to v over u multiplied by ho. V equals to minus 60, u equals to minus 20, and ho equals to 10. So this is hi equals to 3 into 10, means height of image is equals to 30 centimeter. Now what was the demand of the question? Position of image we have calculated, that is 60 centimeter, same side, negative sign, so that same side of the object, size of the image 30 centimeter, that is magnified image will be formed. Nature of the image minus of 60. So what will be the nature of image? It will be erect and virtual. Negative sign so that image will be virtual and erect. So this is how we have calculated the question and this is the end of the video. You must solve the question by practicing again and again, and in next part I will again bring some question from the refraction. Till then, stay tuned and revise properly.